Tip 3, the magic hours, harnessing golden hour and blue hour light. There are specific times of day when light is simply magical, and photographers affectionately call them golden hour and blue hour. These are your secret weapons for heavenly light. Well, not so secret, are they? Golden hour occurs shortly after sunrise and leading up to sunset. During this time, the sun is very low in the sky, causing its light to travel through more of the Earth's atmosphere. And this scatters the blue light, leaving behind a soft, warm, golden glow. This light is incredibly flattering for everything. Portraits get a warm, healthy glow, landscapes are bathed in rich hues, and cityscapes take on a beautiful, ethereal quality. The shadows are long and soft, and they add depth and drama without being harsh. Yep, this is nature's perfectly set filter, all there for you. And if you're keen on capturing these moments in a broader scene, check out episode 213, your first 5 steps into landscape photography. Then we got blue hour, which happens just before sunrise and immediately after sunset. The sun hasn't appeared or it's dipped completely below the horizon, but there's still a remnant of daylight in the upper atmosphere. This gives the sky a deep, rich blue tone, often with hints of orange and pink from the distant sun. It's a fantastic time for cityscapes where the deep blue sky beautifully complements artificial lights, and it gives a cool, serene and sophisticated feel to your photos. The light is incredibly soft and even during this time. These are times to set your alarm, dear listener, or stay out longer. Trust me, it's worth losing a bit of sleep for. And this is what I do on holiday. I get up way before sunrise. Not every day, I hasten to add. 3 or 4 times in a fortnight I'm happy with. Well, maybe 7. Not every day. Wouldn't go down well with the family, would it? No, it wouldn't. So I love getting up a good time before sunrise. I love blue hour. I like watching everything happening. And when I'm photographing a sunrise, I will try to get 3 photos. It's the same composition, but I want the 3 different ranges of light. I want a bit of blue hour. I want the moment the sun appears, the moment the sun disappears for sunset, and I want some of the light afterwards. Now, I might take more than 1 photo of each. Of course I might. I do advocate trying to get 1 photo, but my intention is just to get that 1 photo, okay?